What is your idea of Rising Bharat? In 3 words, go.
Developing across the board.
Alright. One movie title if you'd like to give to Rising Bharat in 2025. आपकी नजरों में वो क्या होगा?
Kranti.
Okay. Dream Girl, Veer, who's your better pet? Who's your closest baby?
Dream Girl's given me Veer, and
Okay.
hopefully he's going to be a good bet.
And how about Hope?
Hope, I've got a lot of hope for her, but
Okay.
she's a bit too childlike and chubby.
Okay, so if you could switch lives with any Bollywood character for a day, it's a very cliche question.
Character.
Yeah, who would it be and why? Any star also you can name.
Bollywood character. Charles Sobraj.
Okay, what's the craziest thing you've ever done so far on a whim?
I became an actor.
That was a long sigh. Okay, what's your go-to karaoke song, if any?
आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है.
Okay. What's the most intense role you've ever played and how did you actually prepare for it?
That would be playing Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, and I prepared for it with a lot of research, a lot of messing with your body, and a lot of guts.
Okay. What's your favorite social media platform and why do you love it?
I don't care much for social media
Why
anymore. It's too much. It's too addictive. I had to put it away from my phones. I mean, I took the apps off my phone because it was just taking too much of my time.
Alright, that's good. Okay, if you could create a viral challenge, what would it be and why?
Cleanliness.
Okay. What's the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened to you online?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe me getting angry at some pap or something.
Okay, alright. If Rising Bharat was a horse, what would you name it?
Arjun.
Okay, OTT or theatre?
Theatre.
Theatre or Bollywood? Bollywood cinema.
Cinema.